Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to introduce you the all-new Geely Monjaro L. This is a 5-seater. It has got 2.0 turbo engine along with a 7-speed DC transmission, and your power output will be 160 kilowatt along with 325 Newton meter of torque. So let me show you the vehicle from the rear. They have the old one over there, but this is a brand new. So a lot of information they haven't updated yet, but I have got those information. So let me show you the vehicle from the rear. So look at the rear. It looks amazing. It has got a radio antenna at the top, which is functional. Also we got the LED tail lights and a 360-degree camera over here. So there are so many chromes all over in the vehicles. There is some parking sensors. It has got 2 exhausts and both are functional. So let me open the cargo. It's a hydraulic one, but the vehicle is out of power right now, so that's why I can't open it automatically, but it's the hydraulic one. So here you will get around 550 liters storage capacity at the back, and if you down the second row it will be more than 1000 liters. So the length of the vehicle is 4.8 meter. And we also got some lights in the cargo, so if you open the cargo in a dark place there is no problem at all. And here you can carry some of your tools. So it's a 5-seater in 2 different rows, and here is the button. So if you want to close it, just press here, it will be closed, but the vehicle is out of power, that's why it's not working, you see. So we have to close it manually right now. So the height of the vehicle is 1.6 meter, length is 4.8 meter, and the wheelbase is 2.8 meter. Front wheel distance it will be 1.9 meter, rear wheel distance also 1.9 meter. Let me show you the wheels and tire. So we got the Goodyear tire with 19-inch wheels. Your tire size will be 235 by 50 R19. So here you see the wheels up. If you want, you can change it. Doesn't have the power door handles, it's the basic one, basic door handles. And also we got the chrome all over in the body and chassis. Looks amazing. And here look at the, you see, it has got almost 40 centimeter ground clearance. It doesn't have the air suspension because the price is very reasonable. And come to this side, here we got some camera with the side mirror. So if you come to the front, there are some differences. So look at the front. We got a radiator grille which is functional, and also got a 360-degree camera. Here is the logo, and this is the new part, you see. So this is the new design of this 2024 model. And if you see the previous one, it doesn't have that this grille in the front. So here also get a little bit of space so the air can flow in this way, and it will give you a better aerodynamic performance. But they haven't mentioned the drag coefficient yet. So we also got some LED daytime running light, LED headlight, LED high beam and low beam. Let me open the engine bay. So here is the hook. If you want to open it, just do it like this way. So as I mentioned it before, let me open one more time. So it has got 2.0 turbo engine along with 7-speed DC transmission. Your power output will be 160 kilowatt along with 325 Newton meter of torque. 0 to 100 it will take around 6.5 seconds. So let me close it. The price of the vehicle is very reasonable. Yeah, you know, it's below to 20,000 US dollar. So because of the light, it looks a little bit direct from this side. So look at the design language. It's the same like the 2023 model, and they have just upgraded a little bit in the front. So here at this part here we also can see the chrome. This is looking amazing. And this is your fuel tank. So here you can carry 55-liter fuel, and your fuel cost will be 6 liter, around 6 liter for per 100 kilometer. And this is also a new design we have got in 2024 model. So let me open the interior. Let me show you the interior. So these are not the pop-up door handles. So if we look at the interior, the vehicle is out of power right now, so that's why I can show you the screen, but it has got a big screen. And also all seats are electric seat. You can activate your seating seat passes. Here are some switches, so you can even use those switches to move your front seats. And there are so many buttons at this place. So here is your hazard button, and this is for your engine start and stop. And look here, you can choose the mode, auto, AC, also the heating system. So this is your wireless charger. You can charge your phone. And here is the gear knob. Driving mode, you can drive this vehicle into 3 different modes, normally to sport. Also we get 2 cup holders at this place. There are 2 cup holders. You can hidden it like this way, and a small box with your armrest. So if we see at this part, here we got the AC vent, the PVC leather in the dashboard. Also we got 2 AC vents at the middle. Look at the top. Oh, before we go to the top, look here, we also got some space with 2 USB port. So let me show you from that side. Here to the side. So these are all the soft leather. Don't expect NEPA and Alcantara materials because the price is very reasonable. And also we can control the seat from these buttons. Let me see inside the interior. So here we got a screen. Basically you can see the speed of the vehicle, and we got PVC leather in the dashboard, so the vehicle is out of power. I cannot show you the screen. And we got the leather wrapped steering wheels, which is adjustable, so you can activate, even you can adjust your steering wheels through this hook like this way. And there are some switches. So here also we get the voice command, so if you press here you can talk with him. Also you can change the mode through here, increase and decrease the volume, and also there are cruise controller. So if we see at the top, now let me show you. Here we got a mirror with the light, and also we get some switches over here. So if you press here, the light will be open and closed. There is a big sunroof, so if you want to open it, you can do it through this button. And if we come to this part, so here we got the gear knob. It's pretty stylish. We can change the mode through this one. You can drive this vehicle in 3 different modes, normally to sport. This is your wireless charger. There is a hazard button. You can even start and stop your engine through this button. And we got 2 cup holders. You can hit it like this way. There is a small box with your armrest. So let me show you. Here we got so many switches, so we can even control the mirrors through here. So let me sit in the second row. Let's go to the second row. It's a 5-seater So look at the second row. You will get enough space, no problem at all. And these are all electric seat, so you can activate your seat heating seat buses. We get 2 cup holder with your armrest. And let me sit inside. So I get enough leg space, enough head space. There is no problem at all. And also we got 2 AC fans at this place, 2 USB port, and there is a small box. So if we look at the top, it's got a big panoramic sunroof, you see. It's a big panoramic sunroof. So you can even open this part, the front part. Now look at this side. Here we got a light, and these are not the Alcantara materials. So very soft materials they have used, and also they have used some leather seats, and these are not the Napa leather because we have to consider the price. So it's a good looking vehicle, especially if you compare the price. It's really reasonable and cheaper than the other SUVs. So the price of the vehicle is only 120k Chinese RMB, which is around 20,000 US dollar. It has got 2.0 turbo engine along with 7-speed DC transmission. So you can choose a 5-seater with 2.0 turbo engine, and the price is only 20,000 US dollars. So I will try to show you more vehicles in the future. Keep supporting me, do subscribe my channel. Until then, bye bye.